point, the state would like to tender evidence of a pointings out.
Is that so?
Indeed, my lord.
In respect of which?
In respect of accused number 1.
Okay.
The names on the pointings out form correspond with those of accused number 1.
Okay. Number 1.
Yes, number 1.
Only at this stage.
Yes.
Mr. Ngobezulu.
The admissibility thereof has been challenged on the grounds to be laid by the defense. We will then stand down for the defense to lay down the ground on which they challenge the pointings.
Yes, Mr. Ngobezulu.
Court business, my lord. My lord, the grounds for the objection or for the challenging of the admissibility thereof is that on the 5th of June 2020, the accused was transported from Villaria.
Was transported?
From Villaria Police Station.
Villaria
Police Station.
Yeah.
To Fos Loras.
Right.
And he was subjected to torture and assault by the TRT police, who then took him to Albertine. After that, he was, according to his instruction, he was instructed to point out the place where the incident took place. After that, he was transported from Albertine.
Yeah, to point out
to
a certain place.
To a certain place.
Yeah. Okay. What is he pointing out? A certain place?
A certain place.
Okay. Is that how you want to put it?
That's my instruction.
Yeah, no, fine.
Yes. My lord, according to his instruction, it was not made freely and voluntarily.
The pointing out?
That's correct.
Is it a pointing out
Pointings.
or pointing outs?
Pointings out or pointing.
So they send him to one place or two places or three places? Or
it was only one place.
One place. One place. But I see you're using the plural, pointing outs. Pointing out one place. I say, how does it mean?
Ask this one. May I withdraw that S?
No, I'm not saying you withdraw.
Okay. The S, the plural form.
Okay, so it's one place.
One place.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So, if Mr. Ngobezulu is busy, let me take instructions from my house number.
Okay, fine.
It is his instruction further, my lord, that he was never explained of his constitutional rights.
Yeah.
And it's my further instructions that he signed the pro forma, and he was forced to do so.
Forced to sign it.
Forced to sign the document.
Okay.
May I take an instruction, madam?
Yeah.
Akamzuzuka Mr. Speaker, ummeli lapha esakhulumisana noMr. Ramsipile uthi-ke awuvumelani-ke nalokho njengoba umbuso uthi-ke uzohola ubufakazi manje ukuthi kukhona la wena owahamba wayokhomba khona-ke ummeli wakho uthi cha nivumelani-ke nalokho ngoba-ke uthi awuzange ukwenze lokho kuphuma kuwena washaywa-ke wase uthathwa usiwa endaweni ethize la ekwathiwa-ke khomba khona futhi-ke nalapho-ke uma usayinda lapha lokho kwakusayinda akusayindanga ngoba kuphuma wena ukuthi-ke waphoqa ukuthi ukwenze lokho.
My Lord, may I make a slight correction on the instruction where the accused was taken from? He was taken from Albertine
to
a certain place.
From Alberton to a certain place.
That's correct, my lord. And from that place
Mm.
to the hostel.
And from that place to
To the hostel.
which hostel?
That's correct.
To the hostel.
To the hostel, Basutu hostel.
Oh, I see.
Yes, to be
Basutu hostel.
specific.
Where is Basutu hostel?
It's in Foslorus.
Okay, fine.
Nokuthi ke wathathwa ke eAlberton wasiwa ke endaweni ethize suka ke leyo ndawo ethize wasiwa ke ehostel okuyibasithi hostel eseFoslorus.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Mnisi, then there's a precursor here, ne? Are there? Because the precursor states that there is a dispute relating to the admissibility of the pointing out. The court then declares that this dispute should be adjudicated within a trial within a trial. Is that so, sir? Okay. Yes, Mr. Maloi.
As a court, please, my lord. The pro forma regarding the pointings out has already been handed up as Exhibit GG.
Exhibit GG.
Yes.
Where is it? Have you
It was
given
in-
it to me?
Yes, in the file.
You can go on. Get it.
There's nothing contentious about the pro forma. I've invited my learned friends to make any reductions, but they haven't availed themselves of that opportunity. But to say there's nothing contentious about.
Is that so, Mr. Mgumuzelu? That there's nothing
Yes.
contentious about the pro forma?
That's correct, my lord. That's the position.
Okay.
My Lord, I have not seen the document that has been handed to court to see if the papers have been removed, my Lord.
Is it in the file, the exhibit file?
Indeed, my lord. The statement was removed.
Is this?
Yes.
It has been removed.
Yeah, the statement has been removed.
So Ms. Mutolo wants to see that as a fact.
Thank you, my Lord.
Only the pro forma was handed up.
Have you attached it when you say it was handed out?
Yes, my lord. Exhibit GG.
It's not here. Let me find you out. Is it here? Oh, it's here. Okay, it's here.
You can always
Exhibit
find-
GG.
Yes.
Rose, it's not here. Look into that.
We have a copy. that
Yeah, show it to your,
We can
to your,
really show it
to your sister.
My Lord, it's also a problem if it was handed before the witness testified to court. I doubt, my Lord, I can't recall it being submitted to the court, but subject to
That's
court.
why I say I don't have it.
Yes.
So this is the one, GG.
My recollection was that it was also
It's the
handed
first
up.
time I see it, but Mr. Ngomezulu says there's nothing contentious about it. What does that mean, Mr. Ngomezulu?
My lord, there are no indications of self-incriminating on the statement itself.
There's nothing indicating self-crimination on the
Self-incrimination.
pro forma exhibit GG.
That's correct, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Cholo.
My Lord, the one that I've just been given by the state, I've seen it. I confirm that those pages have been removed in this pro forma, my Lord. The only document I've not seen is the one that has been submitted before this court.
What eh?
The only document that I have not seen is the one that has been submitted, my Lord, if those pages...
To the what? To the court.
To the court, yes.
Now
ma'am.
this court is bound by the law to tell the truth. Once you submit a document to this court
Yes,
and it has a pro forma statement,
yes.
this court won't even want to see it. You're not the type of judge who's going to sit with information which is not before the court.
Thank you, madam. So should we proceed with this document or the one that has already been submitted?
Just show Ms. Mshololo this.
Thank you, my lord, for the indulgence. I've seen the document, madam.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, this judge called Ratamkwashe will never preside over a case where he sees a disputed document before it has been seen by the defense. Never, never.
As the court please.
Please.
I think there's also an ethical duty on the state not to submit any document that hasn't been proven, a statement that hasn't been
Yes.
proven. We will not do that, my lord.
Yeah, okay.
My lord, photos 2 and 7 have already been handed up as annexure GG in brackets.
Photos. Even those photos, I haven't seen them. I'm starting to see them now. If they are here. Where are they?
Photos 2 to 7, they should form part of the bundle.
Just show me those. This court only deals with evidence which has been adjudicated upon and argued on. When I start preparing whatever. But what has never passed through the evidence of the court, I don't deal with it. Because there's no evidence predicating that. So, Mr. Ngomezulu, have you seen the photos?
I've seen, my lord.
How many are there? Because I am only seeing, I'm going to see the photos now. I haven't seen them.
My lord, the photos that the state is intending to hand over is photo 2 to 7, but the photos that were
2 to 7.
2 to 7 for the purpose of this exercise.
Okay.
I see there's an extra photo. Can I just remove that? Photo 1.
Where are the originals?
The originals are
Oh, they are with the.
with the witness.
Yeah. Okay, yes, Mr.
Then, my lord, the state begs leave to hand up additional photos as part of Exhibit GG1. It's photos 26 up to 31. They were previously also handed up to the defense.
So these photos are at GG Annexure 1.
Indeed, my lord.
Yeah. Okay.
They are in the bundle. We also have them available in soft copy. They will be shown should the need arise.
Yeah, but the point is, does the defense have them?
Indeed, my lord, they were given to the defense.
Okay, fine.
with all those formalities.